Yeah, baby.
I would think, dude, like a lot of the weeds through that over here are getting fish on it. Really kicking, wow. Dude, I'm on. Damn.
That was a take.
Hold on, dude. I thought you were on.
Yeah.
I thought.
I mean,
I think he has my line, and then I saw that, and I was like, damn, his lure just got smoked.
There's
gotta be fish all along these shorelines.
Yeah. You know what I like is, hey.
Oh yeah, man.
Yes, Connor's hooked up right here.
Trout, baby. That's a keeper.
Woo! Nice trout.
That is a keeper, bro. Let's get him in.
Very well done, bro.
16 inches or so.
Sick, dude. That's a really solid trout. So that's a keeper trout. We call these specks or speckled trout here in the south. Connor caught this one on a live mullet. That was sick. We've only been on the water for a little bit. Show us those teeth. Nasty little fangs on these guys. Really beautiful fish. The spots on them, great to eat. Aggressive. He hit it once and came back after like a minute and hit it again. Sick catch, dude. So I'm just casting this live mullet along these docks, free lining it. Just kind of jerking it back in. That's got to be a red, dude. Just got smoked back here. Oh yeah, that's an... Yeah, baby. That's gonna be a nice red.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's an... Yeah, baby. That's gonna be a nice red.
Oh yeah.
So this one hit that mullet drifting out behind me. I've almost got an eye on him. I'm pulling myself to him. This fish is pretty good sized. Like my kayak's just going up on him. Yeah, he's making a run. Sick. Oh my God. I'm on a big one, baby.
Shots on a bull.
Oh, he's going under the kayak. Oh shit. Oh, he's going under the kayak. Oh shit. That was close. Wow. Be careful with him. He's not ready to come up. He's really big. Right under my kayak. He's big. Oh. Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm on a big boy right here. This is...
Slammer?
Yeah. Luckily, it's testing all of it. Guys, this is a big fish. I got something big, baby.
Dude, that's at least 30-something.
Dude, bigger. I think I got a mondo. I don't want to say it, but I got a big boy on. Look at this guy. He's he's towing me around right now. Ooh, doubled back on me. ooh, 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 ooh. Doubled back on me. He's trying to stay under my kayak. He's literally hiding under my kayak.
Bro, you're about to get a monster. So fucking
Oh, there he is! Nice fish. Nice bull.
see him?
Yeah. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Easy, easy. Easy. Easy, buddy. Oh, baby!
Oh, I see the tail.
Big boy. Yeah. Come on, baby. Easy, buddy. I got you. I got you. There he is. Oh, he's not hooked too great.
When you take him out, make sure you got him.
We got him, baby. We got him, baby. Yeah. Come on. Nice red. Woo.
Let's take a picture, send it to me. This thing's huge. And the trout that I caught is keeper, so I'm gonna bring him home.
Let's get this
Hell
hook
yeah, dude.
Oh man, guys, I'm so stoked. I've been wanting to fish like this for a while from the yak. Oh man.
Look at his face.
Ugh. Fat boy too, eating well in the bay. Really beautiful blue tail on him. Guys, look at this fish. Hyped. Just a beauty, look at him. Wow.
Hell yeah, dude.
Sick.
Come in and get a shot.
Look at that guy. Woo! So stoked. Oh my god. Guys, bay fishermen, this is what it's all about right here. Yes. Big bull hit the live mullet, trailing off the back. Just sucked it down. Just heard a massive explosion behind me and the drag went screaming. Put up a hell of a fight. One of the hardest fighting reds I've ever fought. Sick, got the signature spot. Look at that blue tail. Ugh, I love these fish. They're so dope. All right, and this guy's a bull, so in Florida he's illegal to keep. And I would not want to harvest this guy anyways. He is too sick. So amped. All right, I'm gonna get this guy back in the water. Hell yeah. Hit that like for this fish. Come on. Sick. Alright guys, gonna get this big bull back where it belongs. Back in the water. Yo, come on, baby. Let's go. Let's get on another one. Next fish. Here we go. Guys, we've been out on the water for 20 minutes. If that. If 20 minutes. That was so sick. You just slow trolling behind. I guess this is where all the birds on the bay live. Bunch of different species up there. I think that's the king up there. Look at him. I think he's running the show. And then you got Sequel perch over here. Little boys.
Head down, head down, head down, head down.
Fish on.
I gotta get around this. I gotta get around this. Oh shit. Shit. Oh. Trying not to let him cut me off here. I gotta get around this piling. I think I got him. So you guys can see this dock coming up on my left. When I passed it, that fish came out, got my bait, and ducked right back in. So what I'm trying to do here is get the angle on him, come out to the end of it so I can pull him back out. Got him! Woo! Fish on, baby! Yeah! Big red. Slot, yeah. Woo! Let's go. Man, that was crazy. So this fish pulled me under that dock immediately. Man, that was sick. Right. Let's get him over here. Nice. Beautiful. There's red spots on them. Very nice. I'm gonna get this cleared up and get a better shot of them.